Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Let me ask you something very honestly. Do you understand English but feel nervous when you try to speak? Do simple words come to your mind but your mouth stays quiet? If yes, you are not weak. You are not slow. You are just missing one thing: daily spoken English practice with the right sentences. Today's podcast is for real life, not book English, not difficult grammar. Only basic English sentences that you can use every single day. By the end of this episode, you will feel calmer, stronger, and more confident. You will understand what to practice, and how to speak without fear. So relax your mind, take a deep breath, and let's start speaking English together. Why basic sentences matter the most. Many learners think, if I learn big words, my English will improve. But real English works differently. In daily life, people use simple sentences again and again. At home, at work, at the shop, while traveling, while talking to friends. When you know basic sentences, you speak faster, you think less, you feel more confident. Basic sentences are like strong bricks. When bricks are strong, the house becomes strong. So today, we focus on foundation English. Daily use English at home. Let's start with home English. At home, English is calm and simple, no pressure. Examples: I am feeling tired today. Please turn off the light. What are you doing right now? I will do it later. Let's eat together. These sentences are short, they are clear, they are powerful. When you practice home sentences, your brain learns English in a safe environment. And when the brain feels safe, speaking becomes easy. Simple English for work and study. Now let's move to work and study English. This is where many people feel fear. But again, basic sentences save you. Examples: I will check and tell you. Can you explain it again? I am still learning. Let me try first. I need some time. These sentences show confidence without showing perfection. You don't need to sound perfect. You need to sound clear. Clear English builds trust. Travel and outside conversations. When you are outside, English should be quick and useful. Examples: excuse me, can you help me? How much does this cost? I am new here. Which way is correct? Thank you for your help. Notice something important. These sentences are not long, but they work everywhere. This is real-life English. Short sentences are strong sentences. Many learners try to speak long English sentences. Then they stop. They forget. They feel embarrassed. Remember this rule. Short sentences equals strong confidence. Say, I don't know yet, instead of silence. Say, I am practicing English, instead of fear. Speaking is not about showing knowledge. Speaking is about connection. How to practice English sentences daily. Now listen carefully. This part can change your English journey. Don't write 100 sentences in one day. Don't memorize like a robot. Instead, choose 5 to 10 sentences. Speak them out loud. Use your own life. For example, I am busy today. Change it to, I am busy this morning. I am busy with work. I am busy but happy. This is called variation. Variation makes your brain flexible. Repetition without boredom. Repetition is important, but boring repetition kills motivation. So repeat with feeling. Change time, place, person. The sentence stays simple, but your confidence grows. Avoid the memorization trap. Many learners memorize sentences, but freeze in real life. Why? Because memorization has no emotion. Instead of memorizing, experience the sentence. Imagine the situation. Feel the words. Speak slowly. English is not a subject. English is a skill. Using sentences with confidence. Confidence does not come from grammar. Confidence comes from use. Even if your sentence is not perfect, speak it. Finish it. Own it. Mistakes mean progress. Silence means delay. Every sentence you speak is a victory. Practical motivation. My dear friend, promise yourself one thing today. Speak English every day, even for 5 minutes. Don't wait to be perfect. Don't wait to feel ready. You learn by doing. You grow by trying. You succeed by continuing. Your accent is okay. Your mistakes are okay. Your journey is okay. Just keep speaking. You are not bad at English. You are just in practice mode, and practice changes everything. If this podcast helped you, please like this episode, share it with someone who feels afraid to speak, and subscribe to 24/7 Talk English for daily confidence-building English. This is Harry, your English learning friend. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep growing. 24/7 Talk English. English that gives you confidence, not fear.